Hi there, I'm Michael with Etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this Airlift Load Lifter 5000 Ultimate Air Helper Spring Kit. This kit is going to provide two of these air springs for your rear axle. Now most folks are familiar with the concept of airbags, the benefits that it's going to help absorb some of the road shock as you're going down the road, help to support your suspension system so that it's going to even out. Oftentimes, if you have a really heavy load on the rear end of your vehicle, whether it's hauling heavy materials or if you're in a motorhome or something like that, sometimes just the weight of the motorhome itself can cause some sag in the back end. That will cause the front end to be a little bit light, which can affect your steering, can affect the angle of your headlights, make them shine into other motorists' eyes. It can also wear on the tires differently and cause your steering to be less controlled. So having airbags is going to be a really nice option to help raise up that back end, support your suspension system in leveling out your vehicle so that everything is going to work the way it's supposed to. Now these are a really nice option for your airbags. They are designed for very heavy-duty applications. The mounting brackets that are included in this kit are going to make these airbags fit a wide range of motorhomes, including specific year ranges of the motorhomes that you see listed on the screen there, as well as your Chevrolet Express Van 3500 and your GMC Savannah Van 3500. Again, specific year ranges, not all years of those makes and models are the same. So I would encourage you to come to etrailer.com. You can type in your year, make, and model in our vehicle fit guide. We'll direct you to products that will work with your vehicle specifically. But if you have any of those, there's a good chance that this is going to be the airbag kit that you need. These are going to have an air pressure adjustability between 5 psi and 100 psi. So that's going to give you a lot of versatility in how much air you can put in here to adjust for off-center loads and heavier weights, that sort of thing. Now, these are going to have a load leveling capacity of 5,000 pounds. Now, when you hear that, oftentimes there's a misconception that that is going to increase your vehicle's weight carrying capacity by 5,000 pounds, and that's not the case. No suspension enhancement system is going to increase your weight carrying capacity, whether they're airbags or any other suspension enhancement system. Think of it less like a second set of hands that's helping you lift more weight. Think of it more like a back brace. So it's there to help your suspension system to bear the weight that it is rated for. So it's going to take less toll on your suspension system. It's just going to be there to help support it. So that's what these are going to do a good job of doing for you. But these are going to have the added benefit of not only being just airbags, but they're also a hybrid system. So they're going to have that adjustability of the air springs, but the reliability of the jounce style springs. We do have a jounced spring inside there. So ordinarily, if you were working with an airbag, you could deflate this completely. It would just push all the way down until the rubber met the rubber. With these, there's that jounce spring in there. So even if you don't have any air pressure, if you spring a leak or something like that, you're still going to have that jounce spring inside there that's going to help provide a little bit of support for you. That's going to help improve your ride comfort. It's going to help reduce your swaying and help with cornering. So even if you don't have a whole lot of air pressure inside the bag and you take a sharp turn, that's going to allow that bag to engage with that jounce spring, which is going to help to absorb that road shock, minimize your bottoming out sensation, and provide support for the springs or for the bags themselves, so you never have to worry about them completely pinching down on themselves or that sort of thing. This is going to be a nice high quality construction, so it's going to last you a nice long time. The springs, the rubber springs, are a 2-ply fabric reinforced rubber, so it's going to be very durable. The upper and lower roll plates are going to help protect the springs from damage to, again, help extend the life. They do have the high-strength Zytel nylon end caps that are lighter, stronger, and more corrosion-resistant than steel. So again, high-quality materials put into this. There are manual inflation valves and airlines included. They include instructions for you to get everything mounted in place, zip ties, and everything that you'll need to run your airline. Keep in mind, when you're running your airline, you do want to make sure that you're staying away from anything hot or moving that could potentially damage that airline. They do include some heat shields here for you in case you do have to get close to anything that's going to be hot. But the airline, it can be run just about any way that you want to. Typically, we run them to the back of the vehicle, so it's going to be really easy to access both sides. But these are a manual inflation, so you will have to find an air pump somewhere along the way. If you want some more support for your system, you'll have to go to a gas station or something, find an air pump to fill them up. Alternatively, you can add an air compressor to the system. There are lots of different options available, some that allow you to adjust the air pressure from the comfort of your cab. Typically with those systems, you are going to lose that side-to-side adjustability. So if you do have an off-centered load, you won't be able to air up one to help support that load over the other. With the built-in compressors, they typically just send the same amount of pressure to each bag. So keep that in mind. You do get a little bit of convenience, not having to worry about finding an air compressor, but you do lose a little bit of that adjustability. These bags are going to be, like I said, nice high-quality bags. They're made here in the USA, so you can trust they're made to the quality standards that we've come to know and trust for products that are made here in the US. They do come with a lifetime warranty, so if you were to ever have any problems with them, you could reach out to us. We're always happy to work with our customers, make sure you're having a good experience, getting good quality products. And these do come with a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. So within those 60 days, if you get them put in, you can't tell a difference, you don't think they're doing what you thought they would do, you can contact us again. We'd be happy to work with you on that. We want to make sure that you're getting a good quality product, that it's solving your problem. And I really do think these are going to be a great option for you, especially for those motorhomes that I listed before. If you are having a lot of trouble with your RV squatting kind of in the back, these are going to do a good job of helping support that suspension system. So even if you have a full tank of water, the bed is loaded down, stored, you got a lot of storage in the back, that sort of thing, these will help your system so that your motorhome will ride evenly. So overall, these are going to be a great option with that joust spring inside there. You're never going to have to worry about the bags going flat, not having enough pressure for your load. There's always going to be that backup system involved in there. So that's going to complete our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with Etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.